You guys, I went back.
Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. It's just me today. Mark's working away in office. Today's haul starts at an empty thrift store, but ends with me literally driving back 2 days later because I couldn't stop thinking about it.
It is a weird day in the neighborhood. It is quiet at the thrift store. Well, in the parking lot anyways.
Today I'm looking for some main characters for our secret kitchen projects, and I have definitely found a few, but I've also left a few behind that I'm a little sad about and I might need to go back.
Let's hope there's some goodies because I need that dopamine hit. Oh, here we go.
These days, since my second coffee is always an iced coffee, I'm always on the hunt for a fun glass to drink it out of. I know, weird, but I don't know, it makes it taste even better. And thrift stores, I'm telling you, are the places to find unique cups and glasses. Okay, so I'm telling you right now, I am going to point out every single thing I'm kicking myself for not getting, and this would be the first one. I think I might need to go back. She was a piggy bank for $4, and now I think the $4 got me. I don't know. And I panicked and I was overwhelmed, and it's hard to film when I'm in thrift stores because I feel weird. So I really want to go back.
Looking a little bare today.
I know nothing about this picture. I wasn't really going for the picture. I was going for more the frame and the matting. I don't really have a picture to put in it. I just liked the look of it, and I thought $7.99 was a little rich. I had no idea if this was material or a pillowcase, but it was kind of a weird feeling material. I don't know, but it was cute though. This could potentially be another regret. I didn't love the color, but now looking at the size of it, and it was 50% off that day. Possibly still might go back. Out of the 3 thrift stores that I went to today, this pattern popped out in a couple of different stores and in a few different pieces. So I kind of found that interesting. Is this a regret? I'm not sure, but wait till later on and you'll see why I don't think it is. I have a list on my phone of books or authors that I loved their books, and I want to look for more books while I'm at thrift stores. And the last time I was at a different thrift store, but still one of the ones that we're going to here, and everything in the store was 50% off. So I ended up getting 2 books for 50 cents. And the one, it's called The Paris Apartment, and I had just finished listening to the guest book by Lucy Foley or Lucy Foley. I don't know how you pronounce her last name, but it was so good. And this Paris Apartment is written by her, so I'm very excited. It is so good so far. I've got halfway through the book already, and it's just starting to build. It's really good. Kind of a light so far whodunit kind of a book.
Could be.
All right, what's going on here? $4.99 for this? Okay, I get that it's Pyrex, but what? I'm confused. Is that not pricey? Now, I'm not gonna lie, this trunk wicker big basket, I don't even know what you would call it, but I just couldn't think of what to use it for or where to use it for that matter. Anyways, not a regret, just a pretty fun piece if I had the room for it. Hi there.
Hi, Allie. Thank you.
I'm laughing here. As I was checking out, I'm just noticing this woman checking out all my goods. Look away, lady.
That was good. I totally didn't expect that. I spent $12. This next thrift store that I'm going to is just a little tiny thrift store, and they only accept cash. And here I am rolling in with a $20 bill. I don't have any change. I don't, oh wait, yes I do. I've got all my yard saling change in here. I'd like to pay that with a roll of quarters. That was a bust. It was like fill a bag for $5, and I think that was all, well, yes, not yesterday was Sunday. I think that was on Saturday, so there's like nothing left. And I'm okay with that because I gotta simmer down. But there's one more that I feel like I want to go to. Well, that was not a bad trip. I'm gonna go inside and show you what I got. I was not expecting all the things that I found, so that's fun. And yeah, I'll show you the haul. Hello, you have a sleepy face. So not too bad of a day at the thrift store. Wait till the end of this little haul. I have to show you something because I was very excited. Hold on. I found, and you guys saw me pick it up, this shelf. Now it is heavy as heck. Now I don't understand why you would hang
from here? I would definitely hang it from here. I figure what I might do is put another hole through the top here and put a little hook at the bottom maybe and hang something. It's definitely a good little like catch-all little shelf. A tchotchke holder essentially is what it is. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, and if worst comes to worst, we do have cats that like to climb everything, so this would definitely be a pretty substantial shelf for them to do that, but I kind of want to use it for myself somewhere. I just don't know where yet. Oh, and this was $2.99. That's a heavy duty piece of wood or two. So anyways, and well made, handmade, I'm assuming. This I had already had years ago from a thrift store, but like how cute is that? I found it in my spring stash for like a little jewelry holder beside my bed. So I got this for Mark. You guys just saw it. The and symbol, which I had no idea it was called an ampersand. And Mark likes to drop that word quite often when he's talking about things like that. It drives me nuts. It's part of his Dungeons and Dragons logo, so I thought that was kind of cute for $1.99. That tchotchke that he definitely needs in his office. Also, oh, I got this for my mom will be watching this weekend, I'm sure. This little bunny bowl, like how cute is that? Probably just put candies in it and bring it to her house on Easter. It was $1.50. Like how can you say no to that? Okay, also too, so that was at the one thrift store. Oh no, I'm lying. This was at that same thrift store. This, I believe it's craft paper it says, but I thought it was such a cute pattern. It's like the orange gingham. And that was 99 cents. So I'm not sure where I'll use it, but I'll just put it in my stash of crafts and I'm sure I'll use it eventually somewhere. Oh, at that same thrift store, this. I thought that was so cute, a little tea towel. Like what? That was $1. So cute, I love the colors. I'm not looking to sell any of this stuff, let's just be clear. But I love all this stuff. That's why I like to collect it. It gives me that like joy when I find it and I think, oh, I only spent $1.50 on that. Let's move on to the next little few items here. As you know, we're working in our kitchen and we have now 2 projects that we haven't told you about. The one, actually, pause, both of them need some cutting of wood. So Mark has to be outside cutting and our weather has just started to turn a little bit better than it has been all winter. We're calling it spring, but it is far from spring right now. You can see the little green buds, but it's freezing outside. We have to make sure it is dry enough for him to be cutting outside. We don't have any kind of indoor area for him to be cutting wood. So there's 2 projects in our kitchen that we're working on, and one of them is definitely going to house, this looks to be fairly new and it's by a company called Olivia, I'm not sure, but how cute is that? It's a little sugar holder. I thought that was just the sweetest little thing. Oh, and that was $2.99. Oh, I feel like I kind of paid up for that, but it was cute and no going back now. At that thrift store, I really kick myself for not getting this one specific piece, but I will tell you about that in a minute. Let me just continue on. There's only a couple more things left to show you. So the next little thrift store that I went to, I didn't get anything, but again, let me get to that in a minute because there was one thing that I kind of wanted to go back and get, but I didn't know if I had the time to do it. So let's continue on to the 3rd thrift store. Down to that basement, it's got so many fun tchotchkes down there, all kinds of crystal. They've got all kinds of ceramics and just, I always find quite fun little objects. I think I got this cup there too, my iced coffee mug that I annoy Mark with every morning. The 2 things that I got at the 3rd thrift store, I got this shirt. Now I never thrift clothing because I never have any luck and I don't really know what to look for and I don't want to try anything on, but like how cute is that? It's like a tealy, bluey, greeny, nice color. And that was half price. It was $4 to begin with, which I would have paid for, but it was half price in the store. Everything was half price. You can tell the stores are getting ready for the big spring clean outs that people are going to be doing soon. So bring it on. Yeah, so this was $2. I don't see this pattern very often at thrift stores, but I will be looking for it more now because I just really like it. So this was 50 cents. The other one was 50 cents, but the problem being with the other one was that it was really yellow inside, and the patterns, even though they were the exact same, they're almost from like a different dye lot. One was a little blurrier than the other, so I ended up leaving it because, like I say, we do not need another mug.
Being a quarter, because like I say, everything was half price that day in the store. But this particular one will definitely be a nice cappuccino mug. It will be going into the kitchen. So you'll see in a little while, honestly, when we get there, it's going to be good. Okay, so you guys, I went back and they had the one thing that I really wanted. I could not stop thinking about this one little piece at the first thrift store. So when I actually showed our younger daughter, she was like, oh, that's so cute. Because of course I took a picture of it. You ready? I couldn't resist. I thought it was the sweetest little thing. Like, look at how cute that is. The cat's tail. It even has the little stopper in the bottom. It was $3.99, which kind of threw me for a loop. It's not that it's expensive, but I just didn't expect it to be $3.99. I don't know, I always have a price in my head before I flip the thing over to see how much it is, and if it meets the price I thought it was gonna be like $2.99, which I know is only $1. Anyways, there was that. I was filming. It was a little bit roasty toasty in there, and the music was throwing me off. There was a lot of things happening. But anyways, I couldn't stop thinking about her, and I really, really wanted to go back and get her, and I got her.
I also spotted a couple mugs for our older daughter and her boyfriend, and they both have the initials K, but like these weren't here the other day.
Yes, but how cool is that? This one's from Indigo Chapters. Actually, they both are. So I guess whoever donated 2 of them, because they were both there at the same time and I didn't see them on Monday. How fun is that? They were $1.99, oh, and 99 cents. So the second thrift store, when I was editing this video, I did spot a little picture frame that I thought was the cutest little thing. I feel like it's so 80s. It's probably why I liked it. How cute is that? This was $1 in their little dollar bin, but because everything was fill a bag, or she said anything that doesn't, like if you're not filling a bag, it's half price. So it's 50 cents. I thought she was so cute. So I think that's my haul, you guys. I could not resist, and I am so excited to put these little goodies and sip my coffee and have sugar on a little somewhere that we're working on that I'm super excited. So that's it for the thrift haul, you guys. I want to say thank you so much for thrifting with me. A lot of fun things planned for this spring, so I would love for you to consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you had, thank you very much. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Go have a little browse around, or if you have been here for a while now, maybe you've missed a video. We've got all kinds of spring videos in a spring playlist that I will tag to this video, and say hello and tell us where you're watching from. We would love to hear from you. But until then, we shall see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I don't know how I feel about metal straws either.